Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I love mashed potatoes and I thought, what if I combine them with cheese and my favorite mashed potato dish? And that's what I did, and they turned out absolutely scrumptious, delicious mashed potato cakes. You're going to love them, so let me walk you through this. So what I've got here are 3 fairly large potatoes that I've just boiled up. So they're fork tender. And I'm going to add a good couple of knobs of butter. This is about 2 tablespoons. Some milk. I just kind of eyeball this. You can just do it by, just by looking. Some salt. And pepper. And all you guys know I'm a pepper lover. So I'm going to add a fair amount in here. And what I always do with my mashed potatoes, and this might sound a little bit weird, but I always add just a touch of garlic. But it's entirely up to you. Grab up my masher, and I'm going to mash these up. And this is about the consistency you want, something like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to add in 3 onions, green onions that I've chopped up. 4 slices of crispy fried bacon. This smells incredible. Some shredded cheese. Now I'm using a triple cheddar here, but you can add the cheese of your choice. Then I'm just going to grab up my handy dandy spatula and mix everything together. Next up, what we're going to do is add our mixture to a 9 by 13 pan, and you want your pan fairly deep. Grab up my handy dandy spatula, and I'm just going to smooth this out so it's nice and flat and looks real pretty. After that, I'm going to slip some parchment paper over the top and just kind of make it a little bit flatter. Then I'm going to slip this in the fridge to set for about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, everything is set nicely here. So I'm just going to remove the parchment paper. So I'm going to take my glass, and you can use a ring or a cup, whatever you have on hand, and just kind of punch out a circle. And look at this, guys. It's just about perfect. Then I'm going to carefully dredge this in some flour and just an egg mixture. And this is just a couple of beaten eggs. Then some breadcrumbs. And this is just Italian breadcrumbs, but incredibly delicious. So we're just going to go ahead and set this aside. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I should mention this particular recipe is going to give you 8 to 10 patties. You're going to have some left over. You can reform it or eat it as is with your favorite protein. Now I'm going to slip this into some heated oil, about 350 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, just until they're golden brown. Okay, now it's golden brown. I'm just going to lift it up. I'm just going to set them aside on a wire rack just to drain the oil. These look and smell so good. And there you have it, guys, our cheesy mashed potato cakes. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. And I'm going to serve this up with some sour cream, green onions, or chives, whatever you like. So good. Potatoes, the onions, the spices, cheese, absolutely incredible. You have to try this. Believe me, you've got to try this. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for watching. And see you next time.